Hi folks, welcome to another episode of Beyond the Cane Pole. Today I'm going to be working on a project. I'm going to give a little teaser here real quick because I'm going to be getting a what I'm going to call my fishing shack, or that's kind of the working name for it. My neighbor's getting rid of an 8x8 wood frame shed. Nice things, got shelves and stuff in it. I'm going to move it over to my yard, put my fishing rods in it, probably put camping gear in it, and it's going to be my fishing shack. In the meantime, I've got another project that kind of goes along with it. I've been wanting to get a worm farm going. I've tried several different methods, especially around here. The ants tend to get up into it, but the way I'm about to do it now, I'm actually going to put some sticky stuff around the bottom. There's some paint on sticky stuff that'll probably stop the ants. I hope it'll work. If I have to, I'll redo that. This is what we country folks call doing something with nothing. So it is a recycling project, something I've been doing years, since before recycling was ever a thing. What I'll do is I'll show you what the project is, talk about it a little bit, and then probably time-lapse me working on it, because there's going to be a lot going on. You'll probably see all this in one day. It's probably going to take me several days. You may see a change of clothes in this, who knows. And I don't know where I'm going to put it. It's going to be its final resting spot or not, but we'll see. Okay, what I have here, I thought was at first was a little mini fridge. Then I realized it was a freezer, and I think I know where it came from, because I went by one of the little bait shops right up the road, and I didn't notice there's a little bait freezer in there. At any rate, it's a little messed up inside. I have pressure washed it once. Still has a little bit of an odor to it, but those shelves have to come out. I don't exactly know how I'm going to get them out. It looks like they will slide out. There's this little temperature control. I don't know if I'll yank that out or not. It all depends on if I can. The door's up here, where I'm going to put the door back on as a lid. I'm going to keep it just like you see it here. I've got more cement blocks than I need to set it up on, but some of those will be probably used with the shed. There's also some cinder blocks over there under and around the shed. Then I have Miracle-Gro potting mix moisture control. That's a key element here. The little worm bucket I've been doing inside, that has kept it going really well. But I've moved here under my tree because as this sits as a fridge, like I said, I have to remove the drawers and stuff. There's also a motor and some things on the back that I'll show in a minute. Got to turn it over. But and I need to add, I noticed that there was a crack in the main Freon line on the back, so there is no Freon in this to worry with when I do all this project. Alright folks, this is the bottom side of this little fridge freezer. I want to remove the coils. I want to remove that drain line there. Going to definitely remove that motor. That'll make it a lot lighter. Then we're just going to lay it down on the concrete blocks. But I'm going to go ahead and do this via time lapse. You may see me doing some things like cutting some of that copper tubing that's been spray painted and stuff, versus removing it carefully. It's junk. The remains are going back in the truck. The body of the thing's going back for the worm farm. And the disassembly is done. Y'all really don't want to know what I found behind that door. It's not pretty. They'll get rinsed off, but that's it. A lot of weight off, the front of the door off. This is just expando foam here, but I'm gonna leave it. I could dig it out, but it's got an insulated box, which is probably a good thing. I'm gonna put it in the shade in the back. All right, the next part of this video will probably be me setting this up where it's gonna go. Got to do a little rinsing and a little cleaning and stuff like that. Thank you for watching.